So who would like to start? Uh, I'm seeing Omar, Rose, Taiko, Angelic, Femi, Bashir. So the first name I'm seeing on my screen is Takiyu. Would you like to volunteer to start? Are you with me? Yeah, guys, are you with me? Or maybe Omar? Omar, would you like to start? So in case you have question also, don't hesitate. If you have question or you have challenges in creating those doing those two things that we discussed last Saturday. Oh, I'm seeing Pirani. Pirani, would you like to start? No volunteer. No one would like to showcases his beautiful maps. Can you confirm that you can hear me at least?
Yes, sir. We can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, so someone would like maybe to start and share his screen and then present the challenges. That is the main exercise that we are doing today. The previous session was really about to present how to create thematic map using those softwares, and the second item was how to create those thematic map using the fast mapping tool that I presented. Within a few clicks, you come with your data, you go with your map. So at this point, maybe I would like to maybe change the question. Is there any challenges that you had from the previous session, or did you attend the last session, everyone, or can maybe you can all open our mic and make this interactive. This session, I think today is just really to make it interactive, to discuss and to see if there was challenges that we can address collectively. Okay. Okay, so maybe it seems like everything is okay. You did not have any challenges. Uh, so maybe my suggestion would be, Mr. Moderator, for the way forward, if we have any challenges, I will leave my contacts, emails, and if you have any challenges or on doing those two aspects, you can reach out anytime. I'm available. If you also missed the previous session, there was a recording. You can access it and you can follow up with me if you have any question or any challenges. Okay. Okay, so we are having more participants joining. I think Victor just joined. I'm seeing Oluwa Tosin. I hope that I'm pronouncing well your name. So today, for those who have just joined, we wanted to make it interactive and to see what you have been able to achieve in terms of creating those maps using those software and doing it with the fast mapping tool. So I was asking one volunteer to showcase what he was able to do. Maybe you are the one you are waiting, Victor or Oluwatosin. or maybe if you have any challenges also, don't hesitate.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Not good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon.
Okay,
Is it
this is Oluwatosin.
okay, all right, all right. Good afternoon.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, I was able to use the fast mapping to
Okay,
the assignment, but I was unable to use the second application, QGIS. When
okay.
I dragged the two the
The shape file.
file and the XF file, and you said we
Yes.
are going to right click on the shape file, and it will bring join and
Okay.
something. I can't remember. My own did not bring it. I don't know. Maybe there is a mistake somewhere.
Oh, okay. Would you like us to go through it together?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Maybe yes. So if you can share your screen just and then we do it together.
Okay,
You
sir.
can share your screen now.
Yes.
I'm coming, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. We can see your screen now. So you say the first step that you are taking is to import your shape file and then your CSV, right? Okay, so this is your shape file. Okay, now we need your CSV. Okay, we have both now. So the next step now is to try to put them together. Okay, we do the right click. We go to properties. This is the last one. Okay, so this is the source. Okay, now you have to go to join, right? Join is join, yeah. So there. Are you seeing a plus symbol at the bottom or somewhere? Because we are not seeing the full screen, eh? At the bottom. I think, yeah, if you reduce the height of this, okay. You see the plus symbol at the left, the bottom left, yeah. Okay, so what are you joining? You are joining the Nigeria level 1. Okay, so here you need to make sure that, the field that you are joining is this one, right? So the ID in your Excel file is correct, corresponding to your GID in your shapefile. Is it correct? maybe you may want to show us the Excel file so that we can see what are we going to join. So remember here, what you are trying to do is to make a kind of correspondence between the shapefile and your data. You have to find a common field between those two. So I am suspecting your ID one. Is it a column where you have the name of your okay? Yeah, I guess it should be name one, the name of your state, I think, in Nigeria. And the second one is GID, so you have to choose name one too, right? Okay, this way they can match. Okay, you apply and you say okay. So with this, you have been able to join it. So we now need to check if the join has worked. So we can right click again and do attribute, open attribute table. Just open the attribute table to see if your data is there now. I think we cannot see it yet. Is it loading? Can you see something in the attribute table? Because we are not seeing in the attribute table. Is it showing on your end? Not yet, huh? Okay, let's try to open it again. Or maybe it's showing on your end. Okay, I can see it now. I can see it. Okay. So when you scroll down, okay, scroll down or scroll up actually. Yeah. Okay, so I'm seeing the data is there, right? The 3 million something. Okay, if I move to another state, I think let's click on another one. This was Abia. Let's click another one at the left. Yes, at the left. Just click. You can just check one for us to see. Yeah. If you check, okay, another one. This was Abia. Okay, you see the value of is changing, right? The Nigeria level data. Maybe it's the population, right? This one. Yeah. So it means your join has worked. Yeah. Maybe I think that was your issue, finding the join, the plus button in your join screen. Yeah. Okay. So we have that confirmation that the join has worked. Now we move to the next step, which is the kind of, this is why we're trying to map it, to do the symbology. So we can close this one. So we have the confirmation that your join has worked. So now we can just close the attribute table. Oh, okay. Okay. So the rest you know how to do it, right? The symbology, you choose the color and you play with the color and the legend. Is it correct? Oluwatosin, because you have stopped sharing your screen. So I guess that it's because you know how to do the rest, right? Or okay. So the next step is okay. Can you give us for the next step? Do you remember what we need to do? So we have our data, we have our shapefile, we have our Excel. We did the join. Now the shapefile contains the data. But as you can see, it's all red. We need to now have the the colors, everything. So how do we do that? You remember? Someone can help? Okay, so we go right click again, and we do symbology. Sorry, properties first. Properties, and we have symbology. Okay, so we choose in the single symbol, we choose graduated, right? It should be graduated, not single symbol, but graduated at the top. The first one, yes. It should be graduate. Yes. And then you choose the value. Okay, can you select? Can you click? Okay, when you click, you don't. Oh no. Okay, no, not this one. When you just click the field, you don't have anything. When you click the field value, when you click this, you don't. Nothing is appearing. Is it because we needed to export first? Are you clicking the this value? You are clicking the value, right? Because here we should be able to see the value that we are trying to classify. Okay, now this is the expression. Okay, maybe this is contact. Okay, this is okay because we need to export it first. Okay, we close this one. We close this one. Okay. Okay, I think the issue is because the data that you have in your Excel file, the type of data, when you go back to, we can go back to symbology. I'm suspecting something there. If you are not seeing the field in your symbology, single, you just do the graduated again. So if you are not seeing values here, it means in your Excel file, you don't have numeric values because it should be numeric for you to be able to classify and display colors. So it means the values that you have in your Excel file, the type is not like numeric, is text, is text, is not numeric. So you need to make sure every time in your Excel file that your column that has the values that you are trying to map are numeric. Okay, be careful about the comma also, the thousand separator, those kind of things. If you can if you can remove it, it's better just to even not put the comma or the thousand separator, and also make sure that that column is numeric. That's why you are having the issue. So if you correct the Excel file, you will be able to see it in the value. They will be numeric because we cannot map data that are not numeric for the graduated that you are choosing. Okay. Okay, that's yes. And once you correct that, when you come back, you will see it, and then you can now choose your the color shade that you would like to see, and then your map will just update itself. So maybe what I would like to propose is you go ahead, you can do it, you can even stop sharing, you make sure that your Excel file is fine in terms of the type of the data that you have there. It should be numeric because you are trying to create classes, to create some boundaries, some classification. So the type of data should be numeric. So it can look numeric, but you have to open that Excel and make sure the cells are numeric, the type. Okay, once you have that, you should have it in the drop-down list. You select it and you select your color shade and you will see your map. So maybe in the meantime, I would like to ask other colleagues, still the same colleagues, Angelique, Omar, please say something. Do you have any question regarding what we just did?
Okay, sorry for disturbing, but last time I didn't attend. That's why I didn't talk anything.
Okay, we can understand. Yeah, sure. Yeah, as I said, you have the recording, and don't hesitate to follow up if there is any follow-up question or
maybe I'm
any
going
point
to
of.
find the recording. It will help.
Exactly, the recording
Yeah,
is
sure.
yeah. Okay, perfect. Maybe it's the same for others, but the recording is available. And I think you have okay, maybe you don't have my contacts, but Dr. Wale and colleagues will be sharing it on the chat, or uh, so that if you have any issue, you can reach out. You can have a call and go through the step together. So at this point, I think we can end the meeting if there is no other burning question, or on the fast mapping tool also, if you have concern, don't hesitate to raise it. So back to you, Mr. Sir, Mr. Moderator.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for an engaging and insightful section. So we truly appreciate the time and effort you put into sharing your experience with us today, sir. So we are really grateful, sir. So, and if you have any questions, you can. So there is a group WhatsApp platform. So just drop any of your concern there, and it will be attended to. Thank you so much, sir. So we truly
Absolutely.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Looking forward to some other session. You have a good weekend. Bye.
All right, bye. So if you want the recording of the previous section, so just go to YouTube and search for Images Initiatives. So you see the recording there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.